So in this example, we're going to learn how to create a chart using a data set. So in this first column, I have my year value. In my second column, I have my GDP per capita value. So using these two columns of data, we're going to learn how to create a chart. So first thing you're going to do is select your data set. I'm not including my titles here because I can always insert the access titles later on. So after selecting the data set, which includes the year and the actual values, I click on the Insert tab. Then I go to the Chart section, and here I'm selecting a 2D column. So once my chart is created, you will notice that it has some errors. There are two columns here in this view. That's not what we want. We want only one column that shows us the GDP per capita values and the year on the horizontal axis. So here, in order to fix this, you will click on the small columns that you see right next to the red columns and click Delete. Once that's deleted, you will notice again that the axis does not show the years. Okay, so in order to fix that, you're going to click on your horizontal axis, right click on it and select Data, and click on Select Data. Here the issue is with the horizontal axis, so I'm going to the horizontal axis label section right here, and here you're going to select the year data set. Once that's done, click OK, and you will notice that now the horizontal axis shows the years and the columns actually correspond with the values with the years of the years. So again, here you can always select any design that you want. The next thing you want to do is insert a title for your chart. So you can erase that and call it GDP per capita. Next thing you want to do is you want to insert access titles. So when you click on the chart itself, under the Chart Design tab on the left-hand section, you will see a section called Add Chart Element. So here you're going to click on Access Titles, click on Primary Horizontal, and call it Year. Okay. And again, you're going to click on the chart, click on the Chart Design tab, click on Add Chart Element, Access Titles, click on Primary Vertical, and call the vertical axis GDP per capita. Okay, so this is how you create a chart in Excel and add access titles.